Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mr. Rohan Patel channel. Today we've got something special for you. We're diving into the ultimate guide on how to make 2024 the greatest year of your life. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's kick off this incredible journey together. Segment 1, Setting Goals and Vision Board Creation. In this transformative segment, we embark on the journey of setting goals and creating vision boards to pave the way for an extraordinary 2024. Recognizing the pivotal role of goals as guiding compasses in our lives, we explore various types, understanding that they form the building blocks of our dreams. The SMART goal-setting framework becomes our guide, breaking down aspirations into specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound steps, providing a practical path to success. Transitioning to the creative realm of vision boards, we gather magazines, scissors, and affirmations, transforming aspirations into a visual masterpiece. Reflecting on personal goals, visualizing success, and arranging materials, we craft a unique board that serves as a daily manifestation of our journey. The vision board becomes a powerful tool, displayed prominently to serve as a constant reminder of the incredible path we're about to tread in 2024. As we conclude, remember, your dreams are not merely wishes, they are possibilities waiting to unfold, and this board is your testament to that truth. Share your thoughts and progress in the comments below, and let's inspire each other on this incredible journey. Stay tuned for more segments, and keep dreaming and creating. Segment 2, Personal Development Challenges. In this next segment, we delve into the realm of personal development challenges, aiming to ignite transformative growth in 2024. Personal development is not just a goal, it's a continuous journey of self-discovery and improvement. I challenge you to undertake a series of exciting and enriching challenges throughout the year. Whether it's committing to reading a book each month, learning a new skill, or embracing mindfulness practices, these challenges are designed to push your boundaries and unlock facets of your potential that you may not have explored before. Join me as we embrace these challenges together, shaping a year of meaningful personal growth and accomplishment. Get ready to embark on a journey that transcends comfort zones and propels you towards becoming the best version of yourself. Stay tuned, and let the personal development adventure begin. Segment 3, Motivational Interviews. In this empowering segment, we shift our focus to the wisdom and insights shared in motivational interviews. I've had the privilege of sitting down with extraordinary individuals, experts, and achievers who have not only defined success in their own terms but have invaluable lessons to impart. Join me in these engaging conversations where we explore their unique journeys, challenges faced, and the principles that propelled them forward. These interviews serve as a wellspring of inspiration, offering a diverse range of perspectives that can ignite the spark within you. From business leaders to artists, each interview unveils a tapestry of experiences and knowledge, providing a roadmap for navigating your own path to success. Stay tuned as we unravel these motivational interviews, empowering you to embrace a mindset of resilience, determination, and unparalleled achievement in the year ahead. Segment 4, Healthy Habits Series. In this pivotal segment, we shift our focus to the foundation of a thriving life, healthy habits. Join me as we embark on a comprehensive Healthy Habits series designed to elevate both your physical and mental well-being in 2024. From crafting effective morning routines that set a positive tone for your day to exploring fitness tips that promote vitality, we'll cover a spectrum of habits that contribute to a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. Your well-being is the cornerstone of your success, and in this series, we'll delve into practices that nourish your body, sharpen your mind, and cultivate sustainable habits for long-term health. Get ready to cultivate a lifestyle that not only supports your goals but enhances the overall quality of your life. Stay tuned for practical insights, expert tips, and a journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Segment 5, Financial Planning and Budgeting. In this critical segment, we shift our focus to the financial landscape, exploring the realms of financial planning and budgeting to empower you with the tools for fiscal success in 2024. Join me as we navigate through strategies that go beyond mere monetary management. From understanding the importance of savings and investments to unraveling the secrets of budgeting effectively, we'll embark on a journey toward financial freedom. This segment is not just about numbers, it's about cultivating a mindset that fosters smart financial decisions, enabling you to make your money work for you. Get ready for practical tips, expert insights, and a comprehensive approach to financial well-being that will shape a prosperous and secure future. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of financial planning and budgeting, paving the way for a financially empowered 2024. Segment 6, Career Guidance and Success Stories. In this pivotal segment, we dive into the realm of career guidance and success stories, aiming to inspire and guide you on your professional journey in 2024. Join me as we explore valuable insights, practical tips, and success stories from individuals who have navigated the twists and turns of their careers to achieve remarkable milestones. From effective job hunting strategies to lessons learned in climbing the corporate ladder, this segment is designed to be your career compass. Whether you're aiming for a career change, seeking advancement, or simply looking for guidance, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for a wealth of knowledge, actionable advice, and stories that will fuel your ambitions and propel you towards success in the year ahead. Get ready to unlock the doors to a fulfilling and prosperous career path. Segment 7, Mindset Shifts for Success. In this transformative segment, we delve into the power of mindset shifts, unlocking the key to success in 2024. Join me as we explore the profound impact of cultivating a positive and resilient mindset on your journey to achieving your goals. From overcoming fears and embracing challenges to developing unwavering resilience, this segment is a guide to the mental shifts that can propel you toward unparalleled success. Your mindset is the driver of your actions, and by adopting empowering perspectives you can navigate obstacles with grace and turn setbacks into stepping stones. Stay tuned for practical strategies, inspirational stories, and a roadmap to sculpting a mindset that not only defines success but ensures you thrive in every aspect of your life. Get ready for a paradigm shift as we embark on a journey of transformative mindset shifts for a remarkable 2024. Segment 8, Travel and Adventure Planning. In this exhilarating segment, we set our sights on new horizons as we explore the world of travel and adventure planning for an unforgettable 2024. Join me in discovering the art of crafting thrilling and memorable experiences, whether it's a solo expedition, a family getaway, or a group adventure. From budget-friendly travel tips to exploring exotic destinations, this segment is your passport to a year filled with exploration and discovery. Get ready to dive into the intricacies of travel planning, from creating itineraries that captivate to embracing the spontaneity that makes each journey unique. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first adventure, this segment promises to ignite your wanderlust and inspire your travel aspirations. Stay tuned for a series of adventures that will not only broaden your horizons but also create lasting memories in the tapestry of your life. Let the travel and adventure planning for 2024 begin. Segment 9, Relationship Building. In this heartfelt segment, we shift our focus to the essence of a fulfilling life, relationship building. Join me as we explore the intricacies of effective communication, conflict resolution, and the profound impact of nurturing meaningful connections in 2024. Relationships are the cornerstone of our personal and professional lives, and in this segment, we'll delve into the art of fostering connections that uplift and enrich. From deepening existing bonds to forging new and valuable relationships, we'll navigate the terrain of human connection with authenticity and intention. Get ready for insights on building lasting connections, strengthening familial ties, and creating a supportive network that enhances every facet of your life. Stay tuned for a journey into the heart of relationship building, where the threads of understanding, compassion, and shared experiences weave together to create a vibrant tapestry of connection and love. Segment 10, Celebrating Milestones. In this jubilant segment, we turn our attention to the importance of celebrating milestones as a key element in the tapestry of success and personal growth in 2024. Join me as we explore the profound significance of acknowledging and rejoicing in every achievement, no matter how big or small. From reaching personal goals to professional triumphs, this segment is dedicated to creating a culture of celebration and appreciation for the journey. We'll delve into the art of recognizing milestones, reflecting on the lessons learned, and savoring the victories along the way. Get ready for a celebration of your accomplishments and a reflection on the remarkable journey that has brought you to each significant moment. Stay tuned for insights on creating a positive mindset that fuels your momentum and sets the stage for even greater achievements in the future. Let's make 2024 a year filled with joyous celebrations and a continuous acknowledgement of the strides we make on our paths to success. Segment 11, Gratitude and Reflection. In this reflective and heartfelt segment, we turn our focus to the transformative power of gratitude and reflection, shaping the narrative of our journey as we approach the end of 2023 and step into 2024. Join me in exploring the profound impact of cultivating gratitude for the present moment and reflecting on the lessons learned throughout the year. Gratitude is not just a fleeting sentiment, it's a mindset that amplifies positivity and appreciation for the richness of life. In this segment, we'll delve into practices that foster gratitude, from acknowledging small wins to expressing appreciation for the people who enrich our lives. Get ready to embrace a mindset of thankfulness and reflection, creating a foundation for a purposeful and fulfilling 2024. Stay tuned for insights on making gratitude a daily practice and reflecting on the milestones, challenges, and personal growth that have shaped your unique journey. Let's step into the new year with hearts full of gratitude and minds ready for the limitless possibilities that lie ahead. Conclusion? There you have it, folks. The ultimate guide to making 2024 your best year yet. Remember, it's not just about achieving goals but also about the journey and the person you become along the way. If you're as excited as I am, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let's make 2024 a year of incredible growth and success. Until next time, stay motivated, stay positive, and keep chasing those dreams.